How do I visit my friends in Animal Crossing if I don't have a Nintendo Online subscription?
Hey there, Animal Crossing enthusiasts. Welcome to this video tutorial where I'll be sharing some tips on how you can visit your friends in Animal Crossing even if you don't have a Nintendo Online subscription. So, let's dive right in and find out how you can connect with your pals in the virtual world of Animal Crossing without needing a paid subscription.
Local multiplayer.
The good news is that Animal Crossing offers a feature called Local Multiplayer, which allows you to visit your friends' islands without requiring a Nintendo Online subscription. Here's how you can do it. 1. Ensure that you and your friend are physically near each other. Local multiplayer requires both players to be in close proximity. 2. Make sure you both have a Nintendo Switch console. Animal Crossing doesn't support local multiplayer on the Nintendo Switch Lite, so you'll need the regular Nintendo Switch console for this method. 3. Connect your Nintendo Switch consoles. To do this, navigate to the home screen, select the Animal Crossing game, and choose the Local Play option. Follow the on-screen prompts to establish a local wireless connection between the two consoles. 4. Visit your friend's island. Once the connection is established, you can choose to either invite your friend to your island or visit their island. Enjoy exploring together, exchanging items, and having fun.
Dodo code sharing.
Another way to visit your friends' islands without a Nintendo Online subscription is through the use of Dodo codes. This method allows you to play with friends online, even if you don't have a paid subscription. Here's how it works. 1. Obtain a Dodo code from your friend. Ask your friend to generate a Dodo code on their island. They can do this by talking to Orville at the Dodo Airlines counter. 2. Enter the Dodo code at the airport. Go to the airport on your own island and talk to Orville. Select the I Want Visitors option and then, via online play, enter the Dodo code provided by your friend. 3. Wait for the connection. Once you've entered the correct Dodo code, your game will connect to your friend's island. Enjoy your visit and make sure to follow their island's etiquette.
Local play with multiple players.
If you have friends or family members who share the same Nintendo Switch console, you can also enjoy multiplayer sessions in Animal Crossing using the Local Play feature. Here's how it works. 1. Ensure that all players are on the same island. Animal Crossing only allows one island per console, so all players will be sharing the same island. 2. Gather around the console. Make sure all players are physically present and have their controllers ready. 3. Start the game. Launch Animal Crossing on the Nintendo Switch and select the user profiles for each player who wishes to join the session. 4. Enjoy multiplayer fun. Now you can all explore the island together, participate in activities, and share the joy of Animal Crossing without needing a Nintendo Online subscription. And there you have it, folks. You don't need a Nintendo Online subscription to visit your friends in Animal Crossing. Whether it's through local multiplayer, Dodo code sharing, or local play with multiple players, you can connect and enjoy the game together. So grab your Nintendo Switch, gather your friends, and embark on exciting adventures in the world of Animal Crossing. Have a blast, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy gaming!